So hello friends, and today we're going to discuss more about the data structure. So I will be categorizing this data structure in terms of companies. Okay, companies question based, ask questions. So I'll start first with the Google, and then we'll quickly move on to the other companies. In each of the companies I'll make at least 30 videos, okay, of the data structure. So I'm starting it with the Google, and I'll try to make it more interactive, not with the usual data structure videos which you might see on the other channels. What I'll do is I'll try to make it more interactive using these stories, okay, with some stories that can stick to your mind and you will not forget it, okay. And I'll make it more fun than the original, the very usual video. And the second thing I want to talk about that, I'll tell you the parts, okay, the things that you need to consider while before writing any code, okay, of the data structure. So let's quickly jump into the data structure. So there is one question that has been asked in the Google using the sort in wave, okay. Sort in wave means, let's say we have this array and we want to make it just like our three fingers, okay, three fingers. If we say three fingers, okay, index finger, if you look at the index finger, middle finger and the next finger, okay, so you will see a wave, okay. So your index finger would be small, then your middle finger will be big, and then again your next finger will be small, okay. So there is a wave, okay. So we want to make it something like that, the pattern mostly similar to that, and with that one we have so we need to make a strategy of how we can accomplish that, okay. So this is a random number that has been splitted, it's not a sorted or nothing. So first thing that we need to consider is, before writing any code, the first thing is strategy, okay. Just take out a pen and just try to think how you can achieve the output, okay. Find some pattern, okay. You can take the help, based on your experience first, and then create the boundaries. That's a very important step. Boundaries means, I have written in Java, Scala and Python both, okay. So you can skip if you don't want to. I will not start with the Java because it's very simple, okay. I'll do the coding in Scala and Python. I'll quickly copy the same code as it is from the Geek code, and you can take it from there. But I'll go with the Scala and Python. I'll explain it in both of the languages, okay. And so second thing, I am talking about the creating boundaries. So boundaries like that, I should be less than, this one, I is greater than 0, okay, then only it will enter. So something like that, okay. I should be less than array dot length minus 1, which means it will not go beyond the array length, okay. So those boundaries you need to think, okay. Third thing is, just read the, if you're not able to think more beyond that, okay, just quickly read the code or the explanation, okay. And then fourth thing what you can do is, you can write it on paper, okay. Not the whole code, but a pseudo code, pseudocode. Okay, which means just instead of writing the for loop, okay, I'll write it as a comment. Example, for loop for iterating the index. Okay, so similarly this, just write down the steps. Okay, just write down the steps achieving the output. Okay, so in the next video I'll talk about more on this sort in waves, okay, example or the program. Let's meet on the next video. Thank you.